In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HEIC files to JPG using Google Drive. HEIC files are efficient and high quality, but they aren't always easy to work with, especially if you want to share images across different devices or platforms. Converting them to the more universally accepted JPG format solves this problem and makes your files compatible everywhere. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a simple way to convert your HEIC images without leaving Google Drive or needing complicated software. First, open Google Drive and locate the HEIC image you want to convert. You can scroll through your files or use the search function to find it quickly. Once you find your image, right-click on it to open the options menu. Next, hover over Open With and then select Connect More Apps. This will take you to the marketplace where you can add applications that integrate seamlessly with Google Drive. In the search bar, type HEIC Image Viewer Decoder. This app is essential for our conversion process. Click on it and then select Install. A pop-up may appear asking for permission. Click Continue to authorize the installation. If prompted, choose the Google account you want to link with this app and click Continue again to finalize the setup. Once the app is installed, return to your Google Drive homepage and open the app launcher. You should now see HEIC Image Viewer Decoder listed. Click on it to open the interface. Inside the app, you'll see a section labeled Drop a File here. Simply drag your HEIC file from Google Drive into this area. The app will process the file and automatically convert it to JPG. Once the conversion is complete, you can save the JPG file directly to your Google Drive or download it to your device. This keeps your images organized in one place without needing additional software. One important tip: make sure to double check the converted JPG image for quality and orientation. Sometimes HEIC files contain metadata that could slightly alter the appearance when converted. If you notice any issues, simply re-upload and convert again. Also, consider renaming your new JPG files to keep them easily searchable and organized in your drive, especially if you're converting multiple files at once. This small step can save you time later. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully converted a HEIC file to JPG entirely within Google Drive. This method is quick, convenient, and perfect for anyone who frequently works with images across different platforms. Thanks for watching and happy converting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more helpful tech tips.